Are you looking for the best backup cameras? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best backup cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. LeeKooLuu HD 1080p Backup Camera Rearview Monitor Kit. The LeeKooLuu Backup Camera Rearview Monitor Kit offers a plug-and-play system that connects the reverse camera and monitor via a 4-pin cable. It features a high-performance IP69 waterproof camera that is equipped with 149-degree viewing angle, 6 white LED lights, and a color HD license plate camera. The parking line's width is adjustable and the image can be flipped between mirror and facing view. The kit comes with a 4.3-inch LCD display monitor that can be rotated 360 degrees and mounted on the dash or windshield. What we like: easy to install with plug-and-play system, adjustable parking lines and mirror/facing image view, high-performance IP69 waterproof camera with 149-degree viewing angle and 6 white LED lights. Number 2. eRapta AYYY7 Backup Camera. The eRapta Backup Camera is a multifunctional system that supports both front and back installation. With its TFT 7-foot monitor equipped with LCD video transmission signal technology, it provides clear 1080p images for sedans, trucks, RVs, pickups, SUVs, and more. Installation is easy. Simply connect the display and camera using the 33-foot power cable and power it with the car charger. The camera features excellent night vision with 10 LED lights and 6 glass lens, ensuring a clear color image in the dark. It is also IP69 waterproof, making it suitable for various weather conditions. The camera system has an adjustable angle and a wide 149 degrees viewing angle, allowing for a safer and simpler parking experience. What we like: multifunctional, easy installation, excellent night vision. Number 3. HD eRapta ERT01 Backup Camera with Night Vision. The HD eRapta ERT01 Backup Camera is a universal license plate wired camera suitable for cars, pickup trucks, SUVs, minivans, and sedans. The camera features a crystal clear image with 100% true color reproduction and excellent night vision thanks to its 6 glass lenses and 10 LED lights. It is easy to install with complete accessories and comes with 2 brackets for flexible mounting in multiple directions. The camera is highly waterproof with an international standard IP69K rating, allowing it to be used in any weather condition. What we like: crystal clear image and excellent night vision. Flexible mounting with 2 brackets included. Easy to install with complete accessories. Universal compatibility with 12-24V DC power. Highly waterproof with an international standard IP69K rating. Number 4. LeeKooLuu Wireless Backup Camera Kit. The LeeKooLuu Wireless Backup Camera Kit includes a 5-inch rear view monitor and an HD 1080p Bluetooth reverse camera with 2 channels. The camera has a wireless transmitter and the monitor has a wireless receiver, making installation easy. The system allows for up to 33 feet of high-speed driving observation and up to 40 feet for reversing or slow-speed observation. The reverse camera can adjust the parking line's width and you can turn the parking guidelines off if you prefer. The monitor has 2 wireless video inputs, allowing you to add a wireless license plate camera or use it as a front camera. What we like: easy installation, adjustable parking guidelines, 2 wireless video inputs on monitor. Number 5. PixelMan PMD2AS Rearview Camera. Introducing the PixelMan PMD2AS Rearview Camera, the latest addition to PixelMan's lineup of high-quality backup cameras. This upgraded camera features a continuous upgraded 1080p AHD chip for excellent image output, even under strong or dark lighting conditions. It also supports HD and AHD switching, allowing for improved definition, signal stability, and durability. The 1/2.7 in AHD 1080p large chip enhances brightness, color saturation, and night vision performance. With its 170 degrees wide-angle optical glass HD lens, You can easily see everything behind your car when reversing. The PixelMan PMD2AS is also IP69 waterproof, ensuring its longevity and reliability. With its sturdy alloy housing and perfect installation options, this rearview camera offers convenience, safety, and peace of mind for your driving experience. What we like: 1080p AHD chip. Supports HD and AHD switching. Enhanced brightness and color saturation.